War day number 826. 826 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, May the 29th, 2024, we have here three regular puzzles, and two of those I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. It's time now for the binary, boys and girls. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but right now I will continue with the binary puzzle number 8618. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so let's start ones. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So let's start O's. Then between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1. Let me think. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Yeah. We have here 4 O's. Oh, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same for here, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time for comparing, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, question is, which row, which column? 1, 1, that's not 1. Yeah. 101. This row and the last row. All right. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Need to compare one more time. 001. No. Here we have also 001 here. Yeah, this row, column, and that column. 0, empty box. Empty box 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Need to compare one more time. This column, or those 2 rows, or this column. Not the same. Not the same. I cannot compare this. How about this row? Double 1 here. 1, 0. Yeah. This row and that row. 0, 0, empty box. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Finish in 9 minutes. Well, we solve it again. With a couple of times of comparing. But we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.